Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Jamaica's men will be seeking to make amends when their 4x100 meter mishap or for their 4x100 meter mishap when they contest the final of the 4x200 meters at 8:29 tonight. That's at the IWF World Relays in the Bahamas. Running without Johan Blake, the men anchored by Warren Ware qualified to the medal round by finishing second in their heat in 1 minute 22.01 seconds behind winners Canada with Olympic double silver medalist Andre DeGrasse in 1 minute 21.11. The Jamaicans also made progress to the final of the women's 4x100 meters, finishing second in 43.22 seconds behind winners Germany in 43.04. Yesterday, double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson anchored Jamaica to an impressive 4x200 meter gold medal in a championship record of 1 minute 29.04 seconds at the third edition of the relays. That's in the Bahamas, of course.
On the outside, but it is Jamaica coming down the home straight at the end of the second leg. Elaine Thompson is poised and ready. Jamaica take the baton in the lead. Germany are going to get second, the USA third. But the dip finish and the right arm is raised. And Jamaica in 1 minute 29.04 seconds. That is a championship record.
Thank you. I mean, we came out here in the heats just to pass the baton and run safely and advance to the finals. I mean, there are four of us, not one man thing, it's a four-woman thing. And we came out here with a safe baton exchange and we got the goal. What more could we ask for?
What more could you ask for? Well, breaking a championship record set by the US in 2014.
Well, that wasn't the plan, but the plan was, as Elaine said, to qualify as comfortable as possible. And we came out here as a team, and the team delivered, and we're happy.
Thompson was